This is the block diagram of a JK flip-flop. Actually, JK flip-flop is a modification of SR flip-flop. Here we are having SR flip-flop. This is an SR flip-flop. Internal diagram of this block is exactly same as that of SR flip-flop. Internal diagram of this block is exactly same as that of SR flip-flop. And here we have done one modification, which is S is equal to Q bar into J. Here we are having an AND gate. Here also we are having an AND gate. And inputs given to this JK flip-flops are J and K. Inputs to JK flip-flops are J and K. And this J and Q bar are given to this AND gate. So output of this AND gate will be J into Q bar. Here we are having Q bar. Output of this AND gate will be J into Q bar. This is an AND gate. So from this diagram, it is clear that for a JK flip-flop, S, this is named as S. S is equal to J into Q bar. Similarly, here we are having Q, that Q is fed back. So this is Q. Now this Q is ANDed with input K. So output of this AND gate will be K into Q bar, which is input R to the SR flip-flop. Okay. So this is the block diagram of an SR flip-flop. This is the internal diagram. This diagram, internal diagram, is exactly same as that of SR flip-flop. Okay.
R K into Q alle.
Sorry, this is K into Q. Sorry. This is K into Q. Then E box in ulla diagram exactly same as that of an SR diagram, which is SR flip-flop, which is shown in this figure. Okay. Is it clear?
ഒന്നുകൂടി ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ?
എന്തോ?
ഇതൊന്നുകൂടി ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ?
SR flip-flop ആണോ?
അല്ല,
sorry, JK flip-flop. Okay. This is the block diagram of a JK flip-flop. Inputs J, K. Next column for Q and Q bar. Then S and R. Let's name it JN, KN, QN, QN bar, SN, R. So possible combination for JN, KN 0, 0. QN 0. QN 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ QN bar 1 ആയിരിക്കും. So what will be the value for S? S is equal to J into Q bar. R is equal to K into Q1. So in the first row, what will be the value for Sn? J into Q bar, 0 into 1, 0. What about Rn? K into Qn, 0 into 0, 0. So J യും K യും 0 ആണ്, Qn 1 ആണ്. Qn 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ Qn bar 0. Then what will be the value for S? J into Q bar. J into Q bar is 0 into 0, 0. Then K into Q, 0 into 1, 0. Okay. The next possible combination for Jn is 0, 1. Jn 0, 1 ആണ്. Qn may be 0 or 1. Qn 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ Qn bar 1. Qn 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ Qn bar 0. Okay. So what will be the value for Sn here?
0.
J into Q bar, 0 into 1, 0. What about R? K into Q, 1 into 0.
0.
1 into 0.
0.
K into Q, 1 into 0, 0. Okay. Okay, next row. S is equal to J into Q bar. 0 into 0.
0.
0.
0.
R is equal to K into Q. 1
One.
into 1. 1.
1.
1.
ഇനി അടുത്ത ലൈനിൽ എന്താ JK? JK 0 0 കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്തു, 0 1 കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്തു, അടുത്തത് 1 0. 1 0 with QN 0, 1 0 with QN 1. Okay. QN 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ QN bar 1, QN 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ QN bar 0. So in this case, what will be the values for Sn?
1. 1.
J into Q bar, 1 into 1, 1.
1.
R is K into
0.
Q, 0.
0.
0.
ഇവിടെയോ J into Q bar, 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1,
0.
0. Okay.
0.
Then next possible combination is 1 1.
1.
JK 1 1 with Q 0 with Q 1. Q 0 ആകുന്ന ടൈമിൽ Q bar 1, Q 1 ആകുന്ന ടൈമിൽ Q bar 0. So here what will be Sn?
1.
J into Q bar, 1 into 1. R 1 into 0.
0.
In last row, 1 into 0 is 0.
0.
1 into 1 is 1. Okay.
1.
Now let's write Qn plus 1. So when S is 0, R is 0, what will be Qn plus 1 from truth table of SR flip-flop? From truth table of SR flip-flop. When S equal to 0, R equal to 0, Qn plus 1 will be same as Qn, right? ഈ റോയിൽ Qn ന്റെ വാല്യൂ എത്രയാ?
0.
Qn എത്രയാ? 0. In next row, again S equal to 0, R equal to 0, so Qn plus 1 will be equal to Qn. ഇവിടെ എത്രയാ Qn? 1.
1.
Okay. In next row also, S is 0, R is 0. So Qn plus 1 will be equal to Qn. എത്രയാണ്?
0.
0.
And in next row, S is 0, R 1. So what will be Qn plus 1 of an SR flip-flop? S is 0, R 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ flip-flop will reset to 0.
0.
S1, R0. Flip-flop will set.
0.
ഇവിടെ 0 0. So output will be Qn. നോക്കുക Qn എത്രയാണ്? 1. ഈ റോയിൽ എസും ആറും 0 അല്ലേ? സോ Qn plus will be equal to Qn. ഇവിടെ Qn എത്രയാ? 1. Then S1, R0. So flip-flop will set. S0, R1. So flip-flop will reset. Okay? ഇത്രയും ക്ലിയർ ആയോ?
Yes.
Okay, ഇവിടെ നോക്കിക്കേ. In the first two rows, J, K യും 0 ആണ്. In the first two rows, J equal to 0, K equal to 0. At that time, what was our output? Qn. From this table, we can
Qn.
Qn. Output is exactly same as Qn. Now let's consider the next two rows where J equal to 0, K equal to 1. At that time, our output was equal to
0.
0. Now let's consider the next two rows where J1, K0. For both the rows, J equal to 1 and K equal to 0. So we
1.
got the output and the ITA 1.
1.
Now let's consider the last two rows. In these
Q and
two
1.
rows, J equal to 1, K equal to 1. Output was എന്താണ്?
Bar.
Qn bar. അല്ലേ? Qn 0 ആയിരുന്നു, ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോ 1 ആയി. ഈ റോയിൽ Qn 1 ആയിരുന്നു, ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോ 0 ആയി. So we can conclude that when both the inputs are equal to 0, output is Qn bar. Okay. Now I am rewriting this table. J, K, Jn, Kn, Qn plus 1. Possible combination for J and K are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So our output as when J equal to 0, K equal to 0, output is Qn. When J equal to 0, K equal to 1, output എന്തായിരിക്കും?
0.
When J equal to 1, K equal to 0, output എന്താ കിട്ടിയേ?
1.
1. When both J equal to 1 and K equal to 1, എന്താ കിട്ടിയേ?
Q and bar.
and bar. So this is the truth table for JK flip-flop. ഇനി തുടക്കത്തിൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു SR flip-flop was having a problem with the last row. When both the inputs are equal to 1, that condition is not allowed in SR flip-flop. In order to sort out that problem, we are going for JK flip-flop. എന്ന് ഞാൻ ആദ്യം പറഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു, right? So the truth table നോക്കിക്കേ, the last row J equal to 1, K equal to 1, our output is Q and bar. So the problem in the last row is sorted out. Now is it clear? മനസ്സിലായോ? Okay. കണ്ടോ? Truth table for JK flip-flop. ഇതാണ് JK flip-flopന്റെ truth table.